Just finished. Insulated the inside wall on this side just for the noise. Beautiful spruce staircase. Bathroom. Bedroom, number 1. And bedroom number 2. Shitter.
Help now for free information on how to get started today.
Finally got power.